Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a drop cam in the long drive. To do this, first we'll need to click on our settings, navigate to the MISC, then scroll down and look for drop cam display. Right here you'll be able to switch between different displays where your drop cam should be visible. If you own two displays, then you can select one of them. If you own only one, then you won't have any options here. So now we can go into the game. And to call out our drop cam, or actually drop it, we'll need to press on F4 on our keyboard. And as you can see, we just dropped our drop cam, and that is basically it. To turn it off, you need to click on F4 again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.